7-Eleven in Hawaii has really cool things, like a 7-Eleven in Japan. So today, we're going to do a 7-Eleven snack food taste challenge, starring us. So we got a couple things at 7-Eleven. We've got taro sweetbread. Taro sweetbread, again, it's made with real taro. Okay. We've also got ourselves here some Li-Hing powder belts.
Ooh.
Li-Hing powder, strawberry Li-Hing powder, right? For those who don't know what Li-Hing powder is that really sour stuff, right? Sour plums.
Sweet.
Sweet? Sour.
Sour plums.
I just said that, sour plums.
Yeah.
Okay. We got this Hawaiian hurricane popcorn. I don't know, I've never seen this before. But
It's like a
got
mixture of popcorn and osenbe, like the rice crackers.
with nori flakes on the popcorn. So this is like Japanese.
American and Japanese fusion.
Totally Hawaiian. Last but not least, Musubi, Spam Musubi, right?
Spam.
Man, it's even branded with a nice 7-Eleven logo in there.
And this is teriyaki.
And that's teriyaki. Teriyaki.
Teriyaki spam.
Not that kind of like, it's basic onigiri, right?
Yeah.
With a little bit of nori wrapped around a slice of spam. This is as Hawaiian as you can get right here, right? Let's start with the what?
Onigiri.
Onigiri first?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll show you. This is open arrow sign here, so you can pull out.
Yeah, you know what? I'm such an idiot when it comes to this. I'm like, I didn't know how to
You
open
always
it.
mess up.
I don't know, like even in Japan, I don't know how to open these stupid onigiri
It's not
packets.
stupid. It says like an arrow sign. It doesn't follow.
I'm the clumsy American who's just trying to go like, oh.
Yeah, and then the crispy nori, sheets are all
Okay.
over the place. Yeah.
Oh look, it does say open on it. Yeah.
Look.
Alright.
Ooh.
Try it myself. Ooh.
So easy, you know.
Oh my god, it is pretty easy. After you open it the right way.
Look. And then you can hold one side and then you can just open the other side.
Let's eat this. That's okay. Alright.
Itadakimasu.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I got the regular flavor here. She got the teriyaki. And for you those who don't know what spam is, it's like it's canned meat.
Canned meat. It's salty.
Salty. Okay, I'm gonna try this. Mmm. So warm. Mmm. Yummy. Definitely salty. The rice is very good. You know, high quality, pretty good quality rice. And
Like medium grain.
what? Don't talk with your mouth full.
Medium grain. Japanese sushi rice.
Very, very good. And I think this only costs like $2 or $3 or something.
No. Other are 55.
Okay. Oh. Good. Anybody like kombucha? I think it tastes like feet. Not that I know what feet taste like. We actually went to Target earlier and saw spam teriyaki spam. Never ever seen that, but I'm guessing that's
And
probably
then
what's on
also
that.
like hickory smoke.
S'more. What's s'more?
Smoke.
Oh, smoke.
Hickory smoke.
Oh,
Another one. I forgot.
it's not bad. I'll finish it. Alright, what's next? Yeah, obviously we're not gonna eat the whole bunch, but we just want to let you guys know how this tastes like. Because I mean, I think if you're a fan of osenbe, right, which are Japanese rice crackers, and you're a fan of popcorn, then this is probably a winning combination. Alright, ooh, smells good. Nice. Okay, open in hand. That's it?
Only popcorn is I think popcorn is lighter than onsen.
Ugh, I had trouble opening it. These are tasty. Ah, there we go. Oh, I don't see. Oh, there we go. Now we got some assembly. Right off the bat, it smells good. Right?
Yeah, it smells like a nori.
Mmm, very light. Just a hint of nori?
Okay.
Okay. Mm.
This is a rice cracker.
Yeah, rice cracker quality's okay.
It's good.
Not the greatest,
It's
but
like a little soy sauce taste.
so you taste. Popcorn's very good.
We saw the same Hawaiian hurricane popcorn in Maui plantation. It was a lip off, right?
What's a lip off?
Rip off.
A rip off.
I said rip off.
No, I said a lip off.
No, rip
A
off.
lip off. What's a lip off?
Rip off.
Oh, a rip off.
Yes. It was
It's like $6.
$6.
But you know,
Is it available? Free.
Tourist stuff. Actually, I could probably eat the whole bag here. It's very light.
It's very light.
There you go. Nice shot of the popcorn and the osenbe. And now I'm gonna try these Li-Hing belts with powder. Wait, with Li-Hing powder. Honestly, we'll just try a couple of these, but you can see here there's an extra packet of the Li-Hing powder, which will give it that extra tartness. So I say we try first without it and with it. I imagine without it, it just tastes like a regular strawberry belt.
I don't like it.
Okay, with that. Regular candy. Okay.
It's good.
It's good. But
Sour.
is it? Oh, yeah, it's already sour. But here, this is the magic stuff right here. I say we'll just dump the whole container in there. Okay. Oh my god.
Where's the next meal?
Okay, okay. Oh my god. Ooh. Oh, I feel like this is gonna be really sour, guys. Check it out. There you go. Look, it just got more pink. Okay, ready? I'm gonna try it. Ready?
OBACHAN face.
Oh, it's really tangy.
Oh, it's good.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh. We're like super Asian. All of a sudden, our eyes just completely disappeared. Ooh. It's not just sour. It's like really tangy. Yeah. Let's try another one. Come back again.
But it's really addictive,
Oh.
right?
Yeah.
Don't stop. Oh my god, this gonna be my favorite.
Alright. Enough of that for now. And of course, last but not least, we're gonna go finish with dessert. Our taro sweet bread. And I would imagine this is how you open it. I can't open anything. Oh, she's good.
Useless. Look at this.
Okay, okay.
My arm is like this.
Hurry
and
up.
then his arm is this thick.
Like this thin?
He cannot. Thick.
Okay.
Smells good.
Yeah, so I guess it's probably gonna be just a taro flavored sweetbread. That's what it is. So it smells very good. Oh yeah, let me just crack it open to show you that there is nothing inside.
Yeah, but it's just like.
But it's purple.
Lavender color.
Lavender, not just purple. Lavender. All right.
Yeah.
Tastes like taro.
Yeah, slightly sweet.
That's the thing too about 7-Elevens out here in Hawaii. You'll find like Japanese and Filipino food. Like we saw mamon, I saw pancit, cool stuff. Definitely check out some 7-Elevens when you're out here in Hawaii. Not your typical 7-Eleven that you find in the mainland. So, yep. So, like we said, definitely go check out 7-Eleven when you're out in Hawaii. And we're gonna go finish out these sweetbreads and see you on another video. Alright? Bye bye.
Mahalo!
Mahalo!